Okay, I learned something the other day that I want to share with you because it's so cool. Okay, we're going to start with a bar of Ivory soap. Now, please don't try this with any other soap because it won't work. Put it in the center of a microwave-safe plate. Yes, I did say microwave. Put it in. Set your timer for 1 minute. And watch. Okay, it's going to start any second. There it goes. Isn't that cool? We're about halfway through. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you will see it has made this big, giant, fluffy concoction. And yet it looks like almost the consistency of paper. There's some that didn't go. But this is moldable because it's really soft, so you can make a snowman with it. And then you put it in the bathtub and let the kids have at it. So go get yourself a bar of Ivory soap and try this out because it really is cool.